Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Ay, how nice. Tingnan nyo naman. 125th anniversary of the Philippine Independence. Commemorative points. Wow. Centennial note. Ayan. Okay. May stand. Itong stand is 281. Tapos 368 naman yan. Oh. Wow. Yan, tingnan mo guys. Oh, look at that. 75. Ayan, 75. 750. Ito. Silver in wooden case. Ang presyo is 8,200. Ito naman, silver in acrylic case, 7,500. Grabe, 750 piso. 75th anniversary of central banking in the Philippines. So, 75 years. Ito naman, bongga. Grabe, oh. Gold in wooden box with double doors. Look at that. It's pure gold daw. So, ibig sabihin 25K carat gold. 7,500 piso. 75th anniversary of central banking in the Philippines. This exquisite 7,500 piso limited edition gold coin celebrates the 75 years of central banking in the Philippines. Ayan po, gold in wooden cube box in acrylic pack. Wow. Ito naman Laovers BSP Eagle. Ayan po, ang reverse niya naman is the 70th year of central banking. Ayan siya. 3,500. Dito, 3,500 din. Shocking. Ayan, oh, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. This is the store where I bought the commemorative coins. Konti lang. Konti lang naman po. Oh, what are those thermal? Okay. Paperweight. Notebook. Notepad. Floating banknotes. Ano pa po ito?
Kami sa mga people power?
Opo. Yan. Ito yung people power. Ito yung PayPal. Ayan yung 1 piso.
Ito karte. Si Father de la Costa.
Father de la Costa. Tsaka
General Malvar.
The last one, General Malvar.
Yes.
Uy. And I got one, ano tawag po doon?
Yung capsule. No?
Yung...
So, pang capsule ka?
Oh, capsule. Coin capsule. Yay! What are those? That's some coin. Oo, capsule.
Capsule.
Nice. Thank you po. Lalagay na sa...
Photograph na natin.
Ayan. New order. Ito yung ating binili. Ayan. Done. Central Bank of the Philippines. Ito na. Yay! 75 years na si BSP.